Hey, how's it going from Kansas City? This is JT Nickel, Jeremiah Nickel on YouTube, at ProDJ, Casey on Twitter. Making just a quick unlisted video. It'll be unlisted for a little bit here, but I found something kind of interesting. As many of you know, my BitcoinTalk.org was hacked and then sold to a company called Open Platform. All right. So if you go to Open Platform, let me get out of full screen mode here. There's Open Platform, OpenFuture.io, Open Money, whatever they want to call themselves this week. By the way, I noticed down on their team, I reached out to one of them on Twitter, and the guy said, no, I'm not part of their team. And that was 24 hours ago, and in the last 24 hours, I guess they got Chandler to join. So, interesting. So why am I bugged about this company? Well, there's this, here's their white paper, and it's, pretty graphics and everything like that. And I started reading in their legal status down here at the bottom. So legal disclaimer, where is it at? Right here. This white paper is for information purposes only, subject to be changed, cannot guarantee accuracy of, very, very common stuff. And then I found this other white paper by a company called LeadCoin. And LeadCoin, down on their legal disclaimer, it looks awfully similar, right? This white paper, information purposes. Okay, great. Here's these bullet points: any representations, warranties relating merchantability, yada yada yada. Went back over here to open. It's like, oh, well, look at that, word for word. All right. We have no liability, loss of damages. This white paper may contain, this is LeadCoin white paper, may contain references to third-party data. This white paper, it's like, okay, so who lifted whose white paper? Well, I started looking at the LeadCoin. I kept reading. As of the date of the publication, this white paper, LDC tokens, here we go, LeadCoin tokens, have no known or intended or future use. Interesting. Open says the same thing about LDC tokens. Wow, really? Did you guys not proofread this stuff before you stole it? Look at this. No promises, future. Here it is. LDC. I'm like, LDC. Great. Oh, look. LDC tokens. This is the LeadCoin white paper, right? And it says are sold with an intended future use on the LeadCoin platform. Guess what? Over here, they actually have LeadCoin listed on the open paper as well. This whole legal disclaimer that Open Platform is using is stolen word for word from LeadCoin. They even kept the name LeadCoin in there. Guys, it's greasy. All right, that's all I'm going to say. They're still using my Bitcoin Talk handle, and they won't give it back to me. I have nothing to do with this company. All right, good luck.